morning. I'm just testing out something here. I'm live, but this is hey, good morning, guys. Hello. Okay, this is just a test. Good morning, guys. Hello. Yeah, this is just a test. Hey guys, so I'm just here live on YouTube now because for some reason. Hey guys, so I'm just here live on YouTube now because for some reason. Hey guys, so I'm just here live. Hi. Hey, Pulling. Hello. So this is literally like first time doing this, and I'm just testing everything out. Let me know. Can you see my screen? Since you're the only person that I have right now that's currently watching the live. Can you let me know if you can see my screen? Can you see the chart clearly, or is it blurry or anything? This is horrible. Okay, this is going to be difficult, so I need to man, this is super annoying. Okay. Alright. So guys, this is first time. I normally do my live on TikTok. And TikTok have decided to punish me for helping people make money. So now I have to like use an alternative, which is YouTube. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure, I adjust my screen so everything, you guys can see my chart good and all that. So yeah, just just bear with me here. Okay, just give me a second. Let me just try to get everything together here. All right. Okay. Just gonna make sure that you guys can actually see my screen. Okay. So yeah, now it's sort of like it looks good now. Okay, so everything looks good now. So if someone comments, let me see. Okay, perfect. Alright, looks like we're going to be going live on YouTube. Let me share the link on the Telegram group. Alright, looks like we're if I get enough people, great. Excellent. Welcome back, guys. Let's get the likes up. This is an alternative, but I honestly hope it works. Okay, so let's get the likes up. Double tap on your screen, guys. Double tap, double tap. Oh, great. It's good to see that I'm actually getting people joining, because this is something different. So I just hope that it's gonna work. Okay, so let's I don't know the way YouTube works. If the more engagement we get here, the better. So if I can get everybody to just tap on the screen, that would be great. I think with YouTube it's a little bit different. You can't tap on the screen. What do you do here? But anyways, tap on, just like the live, guys. Where's my phone? Alright, so as always, let's try to tap. Okay, there. So there's a button to actually like the live. If you guys can actually click on that to like, I would really appreciate it. Welcome back. Welcome to everybody who's just joining the live. If you guys can like be liking this live here on YouTube, I really appreciate that. I think the more engagement we can get on this live here, it's just gonna get more people to join. So if you guys can please help me to like, okay, just like the live. Let's get the likes up to at least since this is my first time doing this, I have to test things out. Okay, so let's try to get the likes to at least 15, if that's possible. Right now I can see that we are at 2. I mean, there's 8 people watching, so let's try to get the likes to, let's just say 10. Okay, let's get the likes to 10. Once we get it to 10, okay, then we can actually get started with the analysis. So please tap on the, use that little icon on your screen and like the live, guys. So let's get the lights up. Double tap on your screen, guys. Double tap. Oh, great. It's good to see that I'm actually getting people joining this. This is something different, so I just hope that it's gonna work. Okay. So let's I don't know the way YouTube works. If the more engagement we get here, the better. So if I can get everybody to just tap on the screen, that would be great. I think with YouTube it's a little bit different. You can't But it was tap on just like Hey guys, welcome to our trading live. So normally we do our live on TikTok. As always, let's try to tap. Okay, there. So there's a button to actually. Yeah, so normally I go live on TikTok, but for today I wasn't. I was trying to go live on TikTok, but apparently they have paused my ability to go live until September 19. So I can't go live until then. Okay, so for now I have to go on YouTube. Thank God YouTube exists. So this is why you guys you need for you guys who joined the Telegram group, you did a really good thing. Because now TikTok has decided to pause our live, but yet because you're in the Telegram group, you can always stay updated about anything that's going on. Imagine if you weren't in the Telegram group where you would not have known, right? If you were just staying on TikTok, following me on TikTok and just there on TikTok, you would not know. A lot of people that just follow me on TikTok, they're probably expecting me to come live, but because they're not in the Telegram group, they don't know that, hey, I can't come live today because TikTok has removed my ability to go live until September 19. Okay, so this is why it's so important to be on the Telegram group. And for the 9 people watching, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I think I'm going to actually utilize YouTube a lot more. I'm going to actually start coming live more on YouTube. Okay, so if you guys can make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel if you're not yet subscribed, okay, that would be great. Good morning. Hi, Ellie. Hi, Emmanuel. Hello, Akui. YouTube is the safest place. Can we still enter yeah, YouTube is the safest place for sure. Can we still enter the sell signal? So that sell signal that I sent on the Telegram group, it has already hit the first take profit, which was at, it actually hit 2 of the take profit. Okay, the first one was at 25.74, and then the second take profit was at 25.73, and we can see all those 2 TPs got hit. The last take profit was at is at 25.69, which is actually all the way down here. Price has not hit that take profit yet. Okay, and now we can see the price is actually retracing. Okay, the price is actually retracing there. So, well, this could be a good time to enter, since the price pretty much did retrace all the way back to the area where we normally would have enter sell again. So if you're actually trying to enter sell and then target either the first TP again or the third TP, you could still enter the sell. Okay, because with this sell here, I'm basically expecting the price to come all the way down to like at least 25.70. Okay, but since it hasn't done that, that means that any push up that the price does should basically send the price back down. Okay, so this retracement could be a good opportunity for you to actually re-enter the sell. And then if you do re-enter the sell, just make sure you set your stop loss at where is the stop loss? The stop loss needs to be at least 25.84, about there. Okay, because that's the area price cannot break um if it wants to, like, for it to be able to come all the way back down to 25.70, it has to make sure we don't break above 25. It has to make sure it doesn't break above 25.84. Okay, now one thing I'm noticing with YouTube, I do have another YouTube account which I just use to go and join my live to just see how everything looks and sound. And one thing I notice is that it's a little bit slow. Like when I am speaking, for some reason my whatever I am saying is basically coming a little bit later. So I don't know if that is that's what you guys are noticing. Okay, so I just want to know, how's the experience so far? Like, can you guys let me know in the comment section? Can you guys hear me clearly? Can you see my skin? Can you see my screen clearly, or what? Let me know in the comment section, guys, please. Can you hear me? Ali said yes. Hey guys. Hey guys. Okay, so I'm just testing, okay? Okay, so I'm just testing, okay? I tried sending you a message on Telegram, but it didn't work. Oh, Ali. I tried sending you a message on Telegram, but it didn't work. Oh. Okay, you know what? Ali. So okay, now I think the reason why I was hearing myself a little bit late is because on my other YouTube account, I didn't refresh the live because now I rejoined again and then I'm actually hearing myself at the same time as I'm speaking. Okay, this is great. Okay. It's still a little bit slow, but it's still not too bad compared to the first time. You hear Ali say she hears echo, or he. Sorry, I don't know if Ali's a woman or girl. Oh, okay. Are you still hearing the echo right now, or is it gone? Do you guys hear echo on this live? Okay, how about now? How about now? Is the echo still there? Let me know. Are you guys hearing echo at all? Because I basically I was just on my other YouTube account and then testing. It's still, but it's not bad. The echo is faint. TP2 didn't hit. Okay. So I don't know, Ali. I'm not sure why you're hearing echo because the others are not hearing it. So I would, if you're hearing echo, then maybe try to refresh. You know, get out of the live and then close the app down and then try to join again. Maybe that would. TP2 didn't get hit. The further it went was yeah. Okay. So literally that's only like a few pips. Okay. 2573 was the second TP on my screen here on my chart. Okay, price went all the way down to 2573.09. Okay, this is only a few pips away from 2573. And remember, these trades that I send these trade signals that I send on my Telegram group, they're scalps. Okay, scalping just means that you technically have to kind of like um monitor the trade. Okay, you have to monitor the trade. It's not a swing trade, it's not day trading, we are scalping. So when I send a signal and all that, usually the price will hit the first target at least first and second target at least within the next like um 10 to 30 minutes. Okay, so it just means that once you enter a trade and all that, you know, just make sure you for the first TP you can set the take profit if you want. Okay, but if you go on to target the second TP and the third TP, you gotta make sure you sort of like stand monitor the chart a little bit so that you can just see if the price is approaching the second TP or the third TP. You know, you don't have to wait for the price to exactly hit that target for you to like close the trade and all that. Okay, if that makes sense. Like for me, when I noticed price it was already at the second TP, I mean approached it. Okay, it was only a few pips away. I basically closed my trade. Okay, and I can just show you guys here. So I took the trade here on abato.com. Okay, as you guys all know, this is one of the platforms that I trade on. Okay, so I did take those sells on gold here this morning. the sales that I posted on the TikTok live. This is it right here. And then you guys can see so far, I entered 3 different positions. With the first position I made 284, second position was 182, and then the third position we made about 154. Okay, so and then you can see these are all trades that was taken today, September 17, and then we traded with 2.0 lot. Okay, these were my entry right there, like the entry price. Okay, 25.76, 25.75, 20, and then the last one was a little bit of a late entry, but still turned out to be profitable. Okay, so now I'm going to analyze the market. Okay, let's just start with analyzing so we can know exactly what's happening, and then what we can know what to expect and all that. Okay, so let me start the analysis now, and I would appreciate it if you guys can please like just tap on your screen. I don't think on YouTube you can tap, but I'll appreciate it if you can like. Okay, I think there's like a heart on the right side of your phone. If you're watching this stream on your phone, then you will notice on the right side there's like a little uh arrow there which you need to click, and then when you click on it, you will open it up. You'll see different types of emojis. There's hearts, there's a smiling face, and all that. If you guys can just be liking it, that would be great. Okay, and also make sure you like this live here as well. I think there's a like button there which you can click to like. Okay, so just like the live, I appreciate it. Okay, so now let's get started with let's enter let me start with analysis. As always, I'm going to go to the daily time frame. Okay, we always want to start off by analyzing the daily time frame so we can see what is happening, okay, over there. Okay, when we're coming here, the first thing we want to figure out, okay, what trend is the market in. Okay, there's only three types of trend the market can only be in. First one is an uptrend, other one is a downtrend, and then the other type of trend is a sideways trend. Okay, so these are the only trends, 3 types of trend market can be in. Okay, so we need to, another word for this, you may or may not have heard this, is market structure. Okay, so we need to figure out what is the market structure so we can be able to trade in the direction of the market structure. Okay, so as I'm on this daily time frame, I want to figure out what's the market structure. Okay, if the market is in an uptrend, then that means it is forming higher highs and higher lows. If it is in a downtrend, it means it is forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, this is basically it. So as I'm looking at this daily time frame here, what I see, okay, what I see and notice is that the market structure is actually is actually an uptrend. Okay, market is trending higher. Okay, price is forming higher highs and higher lows, as you guys can see. So that is great. So since the market is in an uptrend like this on this daily time frame, the best trade that I can take, okay, that would be more in my favor is to enter a buy. Okay, and looking at this daily time frame here, the best area to buy would be wherever the, like, near the previous support. Okay, where the previous support was, that's usually the best area to enter a buy. So if we look at this daily time frame here, we can see from where gold is. So gold is like right up here at 25.60. Someone's asking for us who have entered the sell now, is it safe? So for you guys who enter the sell a little bit late, it is I don't want to say 100% safe. It is a little bit of a risky trade, just because, like I always say, the third take profit is it's always a little bit more, like, it's not the chances of the price getting there is not, it's lower compared to the chances of the price getting to the first take profit. Okay, however, if you entered at the retracement, okay, from where gold retraced all the way back up to what, 25.79, 25.80, then you did enter at a good entry, right? So if the price does goes against you, at least you won't be losing that much, okay, compared to if you enter way down at around 25.74 and so on. Okay, like I said, make sure you just set your stop loss. Let me just monitor the market again one more time. Just give me a second here. I will just take a quick look. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame here. Let's see what is the market doing. Okay, so I can see market is currently at 25.82 there. Okay, now this 1 hour candle is looking extremely bullish. Okay, there is about 40 minutes left for that candlestick to close. Okay, so now I would say for this trade to be 100% safe, the best area to actually set your stop loss would be at 25.88. Okay, if you want to keep holding this sell, okay, anticipating the price will push back down, best area to set your stop loss would be at 25.88. Okay, if you set it at 25.84 or 25.85, that's actually not a good area, because by looking at the chart here, it looks like the price might actually be able to easily get to 25.74, 25.75. Okay, it's actually not too far from it, but 25.88 is a resistance which we cannot break. If this downtrend is gonna continue, price has to remain below 25.88. Okay, so with that being said, do you pay for TradingView? So I actually have the paid version for TradingView. However, TradingView also have a free version which you can use. Okay, the free version, you can still analyze the market and all that with the free version. It's just that there's a certain things that you cannot do, like the number of alerts you can send. It's a little bit limited. And then I think you cannot look at the 1 second time frame. Okay, so yeah, but if you're just getting started with trading and all that, you don't need to get the paid version of TradingView. Okay, the free version is just as good. Okay, only get the paid version once you've like been trading for a while, and now you know that, okay, now you want to start having all those other benefits that TradingView paid version offers. Okay, so anyways, like I was saying, on this daily time frame, the previous support or previous higher low we had was 2500. Okay, 2500 was our previous low, and our support is around there. Okay, so this means that when the price, like the best area to actually enter buy for this daily time frame would be when the price pulled down, pushes back down to around 2530, 2500, and then if the price holds that support, then we can go ahead and place a buy. Okay, so that would be the best area to actually enter a buy here on this daily time frame. Okay, so now we are aware, okay, the market is in an option on daily time frame. Right now, if you're trying to buy based on this daily time frame, it wouldn't be such a good idea. It would be best to wait for the markets to pull back down to at least 2500, 2500 or 2530 for you to look for potential buy there. Okay, by the way, guys, make sure you follow me on YouTube, because I will start coming live on YouTube more often now. Okay, just because YouTube is just, I feel like it's a little bit better than TikTok and all that, because there's not much restrictions and stuff. So, and I just need to be consistent and coming live on YouTube, so that we can get more people to be joining. Okay, and I appreciate it if you guys can be sharing the live, like, and all that. Okay, so now let me go down to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so now this is the 4-hour time frame, and then I have all these lines here which I'm actually gonna delete. This was just for analysis, like scalping purposes. It's no longer needed. So this is the 4-hour time frame. By the way, we're analyzing gold right now. For those who may not know, what are you guys analyzing? Well, we are analyzing gold. So I'm going to show it on the screen here so you guys can see. Okay, so this is gold that we're analyzing. Okay, maybe I should Okay, there. Oops. I will. There. That way you guys know exactly what's happening. Okay. So this is the 4-hour time frame, and then what we are seeing, price is forming support. Okay, it has formed some support here. Initially we see that price went up. Let's always start to look on the left side. We can see price pushed up to 25.85 there. We got rejected, came down to 25.70, here 77, found support, went up, formed a new high. We came back, we held the support again, 25.77, and then finally, price ended up sort of breaking that support here. You can see we did break that support there. So because of that breakup, we then head down to, the price dropped all the way down to 25.68. Okay, it dropped all the way down to 25.68 then, and it quickly bounced off. Now 25.68 is actually a support on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, it's a support on the 1-hour time frame. So this is why the price was able to quickly bounce back up from that area. Okay, so this means that we have some nice support around 25.70. Sorry, did I say 78? 68. Okay, so around 25.68 and 25.64 we have some support there. Okay, so on this, now the gold market is looking a little bit bearish. Okay, if you're going to look on this 1-hour time frame, I mean 4-hour time frame, we're actually getting bearish pattern. Okay, and this is a lower high. Okay, the price formed a lower high over here. Okay, oh my goodness, I'm trying to draw it. Yeah, so the price formed a lower high over here. This is a little bit bearish. Okay, whenever price forms a lower high, that's usually how a downtrend begins. Okay, a downtrend begins when the price forms a lower high, and then it will continue forming lower highs and lower lows. If the downtrend is to continue, then price has to continue forming lower highs and lower lows. So our lower high is actually, for this time frame here, 4-hour, is 25.87. Okay, before that, our high before that was around 25.89. So now we have resistance at 25.87. Okay, now this is the area price cannot break. In order for this potential downtrend that gold just started to continue, it has to make sure it doesn't break above 25.87. This is why this is the best area to set your stop loss as of right now. Okay, from where the price is. If you're entering a sell, just make sure you set your stop loss above 25, like I would even say 88, just to be 100% safe. Okay, here you clear. Do you think it will come down to 25.30, 20? Ooh, today I feel like for the price to come all the way to 25.30, 2500 today, that's a more of an unrealistic expectation unless we had some massive news. Okay, unless we have some news, red folder news, high impact news that could impact the market to crash that heavily. But yeah, I don't think that is a move the price is going to be able to make within like in one day. Definitely no. Maybe this week. Okay, that is a move the market could make this week, but definitely not in one day. Okay, because if you look at it, look, it is quite far away. 2500 is all the way down here, and the market is all the way up here. And not only that, but the market does have support at 2563, which is an area where it could actually decide to go to move sideways around before it finally crashes down to 2500. Okay, so all that's going to take time. Okay, but for now, the main thing is look for selling opportunity for gold. Right now gold is looking bearish on the 1-hour time frame here, so you want to look for sells, and the best area to set your stop loss is around 25.88. Okay, so far I posted a sell signal on the Telegram group, and it hit the first TP, which was great. And now I'm going to look for even more sells. Okay, just because the market is currently looking bearish. Now I'm on the 1-hour time frame here, so we can see the support on the 1-hour time frame. This is it here. This is where the price actually tapped into, and then it quickly bounced off. Okay, So now prices, the reason why price is going up right here is because it tapped into this support. Okay, and the highest I see gold going to, okay, because I found support here at 25.68, the highest we could most likely push up to could be the resistance of 25.87, around there. Okay, that's the highest it could go to, get rejected again, and finally crash back down again to the support zone. Okay, so yeah, so this downtrend will continue, and as long as we remain below 25.87, and then yeah, so if we end up breaking above 25.87, then we will most likely be able to go higher. Okay, so this is it basically. If you're gonna scalp the market, then look to buy gold around 25.63, 25.69. Those is good area to look for buying when the price does get there. Okay, because price will definitely push back up. Okay, it is a sell good at the moment. Yeah, for sure. As you can see, price is already starting to sell. I'm going to scale down to the lower time frame so that we can actually see it better. Okay, so we can see it better, but price is already starting to come down here, like I told you, because it is bearish, not looking, but it is bearish. So that's why the price is coming down. So now let me just go down to the 30-minute. Okay, so this is a 30-minute time frame. Once more, we can just see more and more bearish. Okay, price is more and more bearish. Look at that. So yeah, resistance at 25.88 is a very strong resistance. And then now on this 30-minute time frame, we are also sort of like forming resistance at 25.82 there. Okay, so this is another resistance market is currently forming here. Okay, 25.82. I kind of like, I want you guys to be able to see not only the name of the asset I'm trading, but I want you guys to also like see the price. Let me try to adjust it in a way. Okay, perfect. Wow, that was easier than I thought. Okay, so now you guys can sort of like see the price, and then you can see what is it that I am analyzing. So yeah, since this is the 30-minute time frame, so we can see what the price did on the 30-minute time frame. We sort of like formed a double bottom pattern. Okay, we have on this 30-minute time frame, what I'm saying that we have what is it called? Okay, we have a liquidity over here the price could actually target. Okay, so this is at 25.85. Okay, so between 25.82, 25.85, this is actually a good area for the price to go and target before it pushes further down. Okay, so this upward movement you're seeing, yeah, it's something that the price could actually continue all the way up to 25.85, 25.87. Once the price grabs this this high over here, okay, then it will most likely now push lower. Okay, so that's something I'm just going to mark down over here. Let me just use this trend line. Let's keep tapping. Okay guys, let's like the live. Let's like the live. Okay, let's like the live. Share some. I'm going to make this green. Okay, just to mark that area, because that is an area of interest for the market to actually push up to right here. So that's 25.85 is an area for the market to push up to, okay, for the sell to continue. Okay, this could be a good area to look for sell, 25.85 there. So that's what I see on this time frame. And then our support is all the way down here. Okay, so yeah, so technically, like right now, market is at a resistance. Okay, entering a sell, like I said, entering a sell here, not such a bad idea. Just make sure you set your stop loss above 25.88. Okay, so yeah, so but for me right now, since I've already entered a sell, I already made some pretty good amount of money from the sell. I'm actually gonna wait for the price to either push up higher. If it does, then I will enter another sell. Okay, so that's the the next best trade for me to take is if the price pushes up to 25.85 and then it gets rejected here on this 30 minutes time frame, I will enter a sell. Okay, now if the price doesn't do that, instead it decides to continue selling further down from where it is, then I'm going to look to enter a buy at around 25.63, 25.68. Okay, so these will be the next best trade for me to be taking. For now, I don't want to take any trade. Okay, so this is gold. So for now, for gold, it's just a matter of waiting. I'm gonna go and analyze GBP USD now for you guys. Okay, let me go and yeah, let me go and analyze GBP USD. Let me open it up here, GBP USD. So yeah, so now I have GBP USD opened. Awesome. Okay, so we're gonna analyze it. As always, we will start off by looking at the daily time frame. All right, so this is the daily time frame. Perfect. Okay. Um. Uh. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Okay, I'm just trying to do something here. Okay. So let me analyze GPUSD very quick for you guys here. Gold is selling. Okay. So anyways, this is GBP as you guys can see here. Price is currently trading at what is it, 1.3190. That's the current yeah, that's basically what the price is currently trading at. And with this pair here, if I zoom out, we can see the market structure is an uptrend. Okay, price is currently in an uptrend. You can see we're forming higher highs and higher lows. Okay, now we always need to figure out where's the market at right now. This is where it is. Okay, currently it is retesting the previous high. Okay, the previous high of 1.3260. That's what the market is doing right now. It is retesting that high. Now it was before it came to this area where it is right now, it actually dropped all the way down here at 1.29, actually 1.30. It dropped all the way to 1.30 there, and then it quickly bounced off. And this was expected. This was an expected move. Okay, the reason why price bounced off from 1.30, it is because 1.30 is actually an area of support for the price. The reason why it is support is because of this previous high. Okay, you guys see this previous high here, the market had. Okay, so the previous high here at the 1.30. Okay, 1.30 here, that was our previous high. So whenever the price breaks above a previous high, okay, we can see price broke above the previous high over here. So whenever the price breaks above a previous high like this previous high will turn into support. This means that the next time price comes back to it and revisits, this is called a retest. Okay, and usually when the price comes here and if it holds that support, it is usually going to bounce back up to the previous high. Okay, it's going to bounce back up to the previous high. So this is a good area for you to enter a buy. Okay, whenever the price comes back to retest that previous high as support, you want to be looking to enter a buy. Okay, so entering a buy here at 1.30 would have been a really good area, and then you would have set your stop loss slightly below that support. Okay, slightly below the support. Now you may notice that what I have on my chart here, I actually have a box, right? I didn't just draw a single line at 1.30, and this is exactly how you want to draw your support and your resistance. You never just want to draw just a single line at a one specific price level. It's when you draw support and resistance, it is a zone. Okay, and then that zone is created by you connecting two candles. Okay, you need to connect both a bearish and a bullish candle. That is how you get your support and your resistance. So you can see here, I got this box here by connecting these two candles, okay, the green and the red. Okay, these were the two candles that actually formed these were the two candles that the previous high was formed from. Okay, if that makes sense. Like, it was the two candle which price formed that previous high. The green one basically gave us the high, the red one gave us the rejection. Hence, this makes my support to be between 1.3047 and 1.2942. So yeah, so basically that's basically how you draw your support and your resistance. Okay, so now for GBP/USD, right now the previous high was at 1.32 what was it, 1.3263. That was our previous high for GBP/USD. So currently that is our resistance. Okay, that's our current resistance. This is an area you want to look for opportunity to sell. Okay, once more, this is a resistance that you may have noticed. I actually just have a line there. Okay, sometimes I do that. Okay, usually I would draw this for like the swing highs and the swing lows and stuff on like the weekly time frame and things like that. Usually that's what I would do. Or if I'm scalping the market, then I would just use a single line to draw. Okay, so no, but normally if I'm going to draw this resistance, I would actually just draw, I should have like had a box, so connecting these two candles, because these are the two candles that formed the high. Okay, the green one gave us the high, okay, and then the red candle gave us the rejection. So that means that I need to connect those two candles, put them within this box. I'm connecting from the top wick. Okay, so I'm connecting from the top wick like this, and then I will drag the bottom parts to connect the bottom wick as well, okay, of both candles. Okay, I want to have both of those candles within this side box. Okay, so now this is my resistance now on this. Do we need the rejection candle to close before entering the sell? Yes, you need the candle to close before entering the sell. So, 1 second. So yeah, look at gold. Oh my God, I should have, you see that? You see how the price is going down? So to that person, I can't remember who it was, but I know someone asked me that if they would ask me if it's a good time to enter a sell, and I told them, yeah, enter it as long as you put your stop loss above 25.88. So I hope you are in profit right now, okay, depending on where you entered. If you entered way up here, then you are in good profit, and I would recommend that you start taking some of your profit now. Okay, you should start taking some of your profit now, because I mean, price is going lower, you know. But hey, price is approaching our area of support, so now we may be able to take one trade on this TikTok live. Okay, we're gonna look to enter a buy very soon as the price is approaching our support zone. Okay, so this is between 25.63 and 25.68. Once the price gets to this area, we will then observe what it does, the reaction. If the support is holding, then we will enter a buy. Okay, so you guys get ready, get your account ready, because we're gonna enter a buy very soon. Okay, let me go back to analyzing GBP/USD here. Okay, so like I said, our resistance for GBP/USD is now between 1.3165 and 1.3264. okay, this is a good area to enter a sell for GBP/USD. okay, and yeah, for GBP/USD, we are bearish a little bit because price did form this lower high over here, and this is actually something that caused the price to go down. So this means that in order for this bearish, yes, I'm in profit. That's awesome. I'm happy for you. Like I said, make sure you start cashing out, or if you want to keep holding your position, that's fine. Just make sure you monitor the market. Like for now, Okay, I'll just tell you the way I would monitor this. If I was in the trade with you, I can see on this 1 minute time frame, I see that the previous high, okay, resistance or whatever, is actually up here at 25.76. So now if I'm going to keep holding this trade, I want to make sure market does not break back above 25.76. If it does, then I'm just going to close that trade in, you know, whatever, either profit or loss. Always make sure you're closing it at a profit. If you're already in profit, you don't want to close back at a loss because it wouldn't make sense. Okay, so yeah, you just monitor it like this, because if the price, this is our current resistance, okay, on this 1 minute time frame, that is our current resistance. So if the price is able to break above 25.76, it's most likely going to push back up. Okay, it's going to push back up to the next resistance, which is actually over here. Okay, over here. Oops. Anyways, so yeah, so just monitor it like that. Okay, so GBPUSD, like I said, because of this lower high that we formed here, price is technically bearish. Okay, that's why I'd say entering a sell here wouldn't be such a bad idea. And if you do enter sell, make sure you set your stop loss at 1.3220. Sorry, 1.3283 there. And then for your take profit, I'm gonna go to the lower time frame, but initially, if we're going by the 1 hour time frame, then we want to target this previous low. Okay, this previous low on the daily time frame, which was at 1.3063. That would be actually a good area to target for the take profit. Okay, now, yeah, so that's what I would do, but this is only if you're going to target this if you're entering a sell right now for GBPUSD and you want to target the low of 1.3055, then you have to wait for the daily candle to close. Okay, you need to wait for this daily candle to close for us to be 100% sure that we are getting rejected here on the daily time frame. However, if you're not going to target this low, if you want to target a different low, maybe something that's a little bit higher, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the 4 hour time frame so I can figure out where's the next previous support. Okay, so this is the 4 hour time frame now for GBPUSD here. So on this pair here, I can see our previous support is actually at it's actually at 1.3122. Okay, so this is where I have these lines here. I'm actually going to delete all this because it's no longer needed. These were all for the old trades that I was taking. Okay, so our previous low for GBPUSD is actually at 1.3120 21. Okay, so if you're entering a sell right now, okay, which I'm telling you to do, okay, you want to target, you want to take your profit at least 1.3150 and that will be your first target. Okay, so 1.3150 should be your first take profit target, and then your second take profit target should be at 1.3124. Okay, that would be how you would trade this market. Okay, and then if on the daily time frame, once the daily time frame candle is closed, if if that candle closes bearish, then this is going to be another good opportunity to now target 1.3056. Okay, there's about 6 hours left. Okay, 6 hours and 12 minutes left for the daily candle to close. Okay, so yeah, this is yeah, GBP/USD right now. It is a sell. It's pretty obvious. We need to be selling this pair here. I'm actually going to enter a sell right now for GBP/USD here live with you guys on TikTok, and then target 1.3050. Okay, so here, entering a sell. Okay, we're going to use standard lot. Okay, 1.0. I just pressed the sell right now, so I am currently in a sell here for GBPUSD. Okay, you can see, just enter the sell right now using 1.0 loss size, and currently in a loss of $18. Okay, so let's see how this sell plays out. Okay, targeting, and this is a sell, sort of like entered a little bit a little bit late. Okay, the entry is not too great, but it is fine. Price hasn't gotten to the first take profit, so it's still good. Normally I would have preferred to enter as soon as I see the rejection here, this bearish candle here. Okay, this one here gave us the rejection, so after seeing that candle, I would have entered when the next candle starts. Okay, but I'm entering way at the bottom here, which is like not a really good entry, but it's fine. It's still price hasn't hit the first take profit, so it's still good. Okay, so let me just let me write down the digits here. GBP, let me write it here for you guys. BP, GBP, USD, sell. And we'll put at 1.3155. Okay, 55 there. And then TP2, we go put it at 1.3120. And then for stop loss, it's gonna have to be above this previous high, so which is 1.3272, which is quite a huge stop loss. Okay, that is huge. Okay, so you know what, we need to manage our risk well. Let's put the stop loss I want for this trade. Okay, because our TP is not that much. Let's target 1.3247 for stop loss right there, because that is a resistance as well. So 1.3246. Okay, this is super huge. Let me just make this a little bit smaller. Okay, so that's the sell. Okay, that is a sell. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, so another thing I'm looking at here, I can see, you know, we had the price, we broke this high. Okay, this previous high over here at 1.31. This is why the price started going higher. Okay, started going higher because we broke above this, and now we formed a lower high over here. So this is technically our support. Okay, right now in this 4-hour time frame, we are sort of in an uptrend. Okay, sort of in an uptrend because the price is forming higher highs and higher lows. That is an uptrend. Okay, so if this uptrend is to continue, okay, this uptrend that gold eventually hit 73 seconds ago. Let's see. Yeah, cool. Yeah, now it's now retracing back up. So I hope what is it, Maggie, I hope you took your profit, eh? Are you still in that trade or you got out? Let's go back. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this market is in an uptrend currently for this 4-hour time frame, and if this uptrend is to continue, it means that we cannot break below 1.3117. Okay, 1.3117. So yeah, but we're still taking a sell just because on the bigger time frame, okay, we did get rejected. Okay, and also not only that, but we are also technically at resistance, so we're entering a sell right now, anticipating that the price will drop lower to this previous support here. Okay, to go and retest that support. So that's how we're actually entering a sell. Now when the price comes back down to here at when the price comes back down to between 1.31 57 there and 1.3117, if it ends up holding that support, then you want to enter a buy. Okay, so mark my words. Okay, so when GBP USD comes back down to 1.31 57, 1.31, 17, anywhere around this zone, and it holds. Okay, this means when it comes here, go to the 1 hour time frame, and basically what you want to see, you want to see a bullish candlestick. Okay, you want to see a bullish candlestick closing around this area, and you can use that as your confirmation to enter a buy. Okay, so yeah, that hasn't happened yet. As we can see, it hasn't happened yet. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's quickly check out the 1 hour time frame. This is the last time frame I'm going to check. Once again, on this 1 hour time frame, we can see we are sort of in an uptrend here. Okay, there's about 1 minute, 5 minutes left for this current 1 hour candle to close. Okay, so we see price is pushing up, pushing up. Okay, we have some support over here. Okay, which the market actually ended up let's see, did it break it? Yeah, here. So we have support right here. As you guys can see, we have support here at 1.3188. Price try to hold that support a little bit, and then eventually, it hasn't broken that support yet. Okay, it hasn't, because we had the support here. Price pushed up. Okay, after pushing up, we actually did form support here. Okay, never mind. Yeah, so here, this is our previous support here, which price actually ended up breaking. Okay, so now we can see we're actually getting rejected there because it was a support. Okay, so that's 1.3198. now that the price broke up below 8, it's not going to turn into resistance, hence why we can see price is now retesting. This is a retest. Okay, what the market is doing right now is doing a retest, and yeah, this is basically just another chance for us to enter a sell. And then as we enter this sell for this 1 hour time frame, first area to target 1.56 around there. Okay, so this is where we have support here, number one. We also have support at 1.42 right there. Okay, so even on this 1 hour time frame, we are bearish. Okay, we are technically looking bearish. As you can see, we're already getting rejected there. So our resistance right now is between 1.3198 and 1.3225. Okay, for this 1 hour time frame, this is our current resistance. Okay, so yeah, I currently entered that sell on abato.com. It's actually not in profit yet. Okay, this is a trade that's probably going to take a while because this pair does move a little bit slow. It's not like gold. It's not like our gold trade where the moment I say enter a buy or sell, right away price will go to the TP or whatever. Yeah, for GBP/USD, it might be a little bit slow because remember, we are sort of like trading with a 1 hour time frame. Okay, this is a trade. This is an analysis that I did on the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frame, and this means that for the price to get to our TP is going to take at least a couple hours. Okay, it's going to take a couple hours, so you're going to have to be patient. This type of a trade, this is when you will want to set your stop loss and you take profit. Just set it up so that you don't have to sit in front of the computer the whole time to monitor the trade. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so yeah, so I'm done with so far I analyzed gold. Okay, we know where gold is heading. Okay, we know that gold is currently bearish, so we should be looking to sell gold, and the areas that I mentioned for you guys to sell. So you can see now we actually broke above this resistance. Okay, for gold here, I'm very tempted to now enter a sell because we broke above this resistance. Okay, so now any what is it called, price is most likely not going to push up. Okay, because we broke this is a breakout. Okay, so now this retest here, if this retest is holding, price is now going to push up. Okay, so now I'm actually very tempted to enter buy for gold. Let me try it. I think I'll wait. Okay, even though, yeah, entering a buy here is good. It's just that it's a little bit risky just because it is a resistance on the 1 minute time frame, which might or might not hold. Okay, and if I'm going to enter buy here, I want to set my stop loss at 25.71. Okay, let me just check. Let me check the 1 hour time frame. Let's see what the price is. Wow. So 1 hour, we actually, okay, we're actually looking a little bit bullish there. There's about 43 seconds left. Let's just wait for the best trade setup, okay? So like, yeah, it is tempting, but like I told you guys, the best area where we can feel like more relaxed would be when the price comes down to 25.63, 25.68, about there. That would actually be the best time to actually enter a buy. Right now it's a little bit risky. So you know what, I'm actually going to stay out of the chart, even though yes, if the price ends up pushing higher, that's good, it's fine. I'll just wait. Okay, look, it's already pushing up. It's already pushing up. Okay, it's going higher. Okay, anyways, it's all good. There's always going to be another trading opportunity, so you don't have to feel disappointed there. Okay, so I'm just checking the 1 hour time frame. Okay, the 1 hour candle actually just closed, and it closed bullish. Okay, on the 1 hour time frame, we actually have a double bottom formation, which is a bullish pattern. Okay, so because of that, I will enter a sell. I'm actually going to enter it on my MT4 here on my phone. Okay, I will enter a sell on this other account of mine. So let's see how this, not sell, I meant to say buy, sorry. I didn't mean to say sell, okay? So I'm entering a buy for gold, okay? So with this buy here, I'm going based on what we see on the 1 hour time frame, okay? I can see on the 1 hour time frame, we did close bullish. So that's why I'm entering a sell. I'm entering a buy. So I'm going to target, what am I going to target? 25.79. Okay, that's actually what I'm going to target right there. Let me actually post this signal on the VIP as well, but before I do that, hold on. Yeah. So I'm in a buy now for gold. I posted a signal on the VIP group. Okay, but for you people who are live on TikTok, on YouTube, I kept saying TikTok. I will just share with you guys the take profit target. Okay, so TP number 1. So I hope you guys can see. I hope you guys can see the signal here. Okay. So with this trade here, the first target is 25.79. Okay, 25.79. Second take profit target is at around 25.81. Okay, and then our third take profit is 25.84. Okay, 25.84. And then we have our stop loss at 25.62. Okay, 25.62, that's where our stop loss is, because that's the previous support, which would have been a good area for us to enter a buy. Like I said, I was waiting for the price to come down here, potential buy, but since it didn't, since instead price decided to build a support up here, so that's why we're entering a buy here. And then we're going to set our stop loss below the support, just in case if the price decides to revisit this area. It's gonna try to hold it, and then as long as it holds it, then we'll be good. Okay, so that's why we're setting our stop loss below here. Okay, because this is a support, the price cannot break. Okay, so yeah, and I did enter this trade. I entered it on abato.com here. Okay, I have it open on Abato, and I'm also trading on my other account, MT4, with FXCC. And if this is your first time watching me on YouTube, because I can't really tell who's new and who's not. If this is your first time watching me on YouTube, then it's great to have you here. Normally, I go live on TikTok from I used to come live on Sunday, but no, not anymore. So I go live on TikTok from Monday to Thursday from 10 p.m. Eastern Time. And then I also come live in the morning around 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Okay, and what I do there when I come live, I'm just analyzing the Forex market and crypto market. Okay, mainly Forex, and then I also do live trading here. And the purpose of this is to educate you guys, show you guys how the entire process works, how is it that we place trade, and how I'm making money from it, so you guys can do as well. And yeah, so this is a great place to be in if you're a beginner. If you're someone who's trying to learn how to trade Forex, how to trade crypto, then definitely you want to be watching my live. You can follow me here on YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok. Okay, my TikTok is Trading with Sarah. I only have one account. Okay, I'm gonna try to paste the link to my TikTok account on YouTube. I'm gonna find a way to do that, but for now, I just recommend join my Telegram group. Okay, I believe I have the link to the Telegram group posted in the description box, so you can actually click the description box so you can be able to see the links to all of my social media pages. Make sure to join the Telegram group. Okay, this is the best place to be in to just stay connected with me and then just receive more updates and all of that. I do also post signals on the Telegram group, which you can take advantage of, so definitely make sure you join the Telegram group. Okay, the link is in the description box. And if you can't find the description box, just go to my old videos. Okay, at least the recent one of my recent videos, and then check the description box there. You're going to be able to see the link to my Telegram group. Okay, and then just join it. That's it. So in about 5 minutes from now, I'm actually gonna end this TikTok live. I mean this YouTube live. I'm so used to TikTok that I keep saying TikTok. But in about 5 minutes from now, I'm gonna end this YouTube live. Okay, and then I'll come live again later at around. Oh, it's very discouraging, but I'm gonna try my best to come live again at around the same time, the usual time that I come live, which is 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, I'll try to come live again on YouTube. I'm just very used to TikTok, so yeah, it's so annoying what TikTok decided to do, but I'm gonna try to get used to YouTube. Okay, so yeah, I'll be going off live very soon, and we'll come back again at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Are you able to analyze Euro GBP? Okay, sure thing. Oh, look at that. Finally, something is selling, going our way. So, y'all remember the GBP USD sell that we were in? It is dropping lower. I'm gonna analyze Euro GBP in a minute. Just give me a few seconds, okay? I'll be right back. Let's keep liking the live, please. Check it. What's happening in my Telegram? Did you send me a message? Okay. I will, any person that sends me a message on Telegram, I will do my best to respond, okay? I have a lot of messages and I try my best to respond as fast as I can. Okay, so I will check it. I will check it today and respond. All right, so okay. All right, so let me look at that pair. Somebody, Ali asked me to look at. Let me switch it up. Switch it up. All right, so that was we'll just analyze that. That will be the last thing we take a look at. Please try, it's urgent. Okay, what is your Telegram username? Let me know, and then I'll make sure I check it out. Are you able to? Okay, yeah. So Euro GBP. Okay. Okay, Zik. Okay. All right, Zik. Yes, I just remember you. All right, got you. Let me actually check the message right now. Did I? Oh, it's not a cell. Oh my God. Oh Lord. It's supposed to. This is why I should focus. I'm so sorry. You should have looked at the target. It's the target's like the TP1 says 2579, and then TP2 says 2581, and then TP3 says 2585. So those are all targets for a buy. Yeah, I just completely forgot to change the buy into, I mean the sell into a buy, because what I normally do is just I copy and I paste, and then I just change. If it's a buy, I will change it. If the message was initially a sell, I'm going to change it to a buy. And if initially what I copied is sell, and then I want to send a buy signal, I'll just change it to a buy. Okay, and then I just update the TPs and all that and the stop losses. So basically what I did, I just copied, I updated the TPs, but I completely forgot to change the sell to a buy. Okay. All right. You place this guy, yeah. I hope you didn't enter a cell though. Okay, always double check, because sometimes there will be some error, okay, some mistakes, not all the time, but some mistakes that I might make, that if I don't, I'll try to quickly catch on to it eventually and then update it. But yeah, always check. Okay, if I said to sell, but then the target that I put it does not look like a target for sell, then just know that I probably made a mistake. I meant to say buy. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. Okay, so let's analyze Euro GBP here. Okay, so let's start off by looking at the daily time frame. This is the last thing I will look at for now. Okay, so as always, I will start off by looking at the daily time frame, and then when I'm coming here, what I want to do is check what the market structure is. Okay, I have all this stuff from my last analysis. So yeah, basically here I'm basically trying to figure out what the market structure is, and then it's pretty obvious when you zoom out. It's pretty obvious that the market structure is bearish. Okay, we are in a downtrend because price is forming lower highs and lower lows. Okay, so we are in a bearish market for this pair here. Okay, now we want to zoom. 1 second. So we want to zoom out just to see. Okay, so always start. Currently we can see where the price is at. Where's the price at? Let's see. So this is where the price is at right now. It's currently at 0.8441. Okay, 0.8441 there. And then okay, where's the market coming from? We can see we had all these lower highs, lower lows, prices forming. Okay, from where the price is right now, our previous support is actually over here. Okay, this is our previous support there, at 0.8399. Okay, 0.8399. That is our previous support. Yeah, so that's our previous support there. And then what else here? Okay, so this downtrend, it's downtrend here, and then price basically, this, we see a nice big move here. Okay, so this is a big move price was able to make because it broke this previous high. Okay, it broke this previous high over here, okay, at 0.8497. So once we broke that, once we were able to break above that high, then we just pushed up. Okay, so and target this previous high over here, and then we got rejected. Okay, so now, okay, it looks like the price now is back at our support. Okay, so our previous support, like I said, where I have this green, it's actually right here. Okay, at 83.81. It's between there. And remember what I told you, whenever you are drawing support and resistance, it's not just a single line. Okay, so what I did here, I'm actually going to delete this line. What you want to do, you always want to use this rectangle tool here on trading view, and then you're trying to connect. Once you figure out, you have to figure out what the swing low is. Okay, what is the lowest? Okay, so in this case, it's actually yeah, this green candle here, that is actually the lowest point price went to. Okay, we know that by the wick. Okay, we can see there, that's basically the lowest it went to. Now once we figure out the lowest, now the next thing we do, okay, is to, now we need a bearish candle and then we need a bullish candle. They always have to be next to each other. Okay, once we find if the lowest is a bullish candle, okay, then we need to now look for a bearish candle. Either it doesn't matter, either it's on the left side or on the right side of that candle. It doesn't matter, as long as it's right next to the bullish candle. Okay, so in this case, this is the candle that formed that lowest point. Okay, so this bullish candle formed our support, the lowest point that we went to. Now once we figured that out, now we want to now look for a bearish candle, because this one is a bullish candle, right? So the next candle that's bearish, that's right next to that bullish candle, it's actually this one here. Okay, let me actually zoom out. Okay, so the next candle that's actually bearish right next to this bullish candle is this red candle right here. So what we're going to do, once we figure that out, we're going to grab our rectangle tool, and then we want to connect both of these candles together, put them inside this box here. Okay, we're connecting it from the wick to wick. Okay, the top wick and the bottom wick. Okay, so that's what I'm doing here. I'm connecting this top bearish candle wick, okay, and then the bottom of this bullish candle wick. Okay, so that's our support. Now I'm going to extend this to the future, because this is an area where I'm going to look for potential buying opportunities when the market does pull down to it. Okay, so I drew this here, and now we can see from here price then pushed up, and now price came back down. Okay, it came down, it's tapping into our support, and then so far it's holding that support. Okay, now before the price got to this area, we did form a resistance. Okay, now that resistance is actually up here. Okay, that resistance is actually up here. And remember, you always connecting the two candles. Okay, so our resistance is up here. Let me point it out to you guys. This is our resistance right here. Okay, so this is our resistance. The reason why it's resistance because price pushed up. Okay, we had a bullish move, price moved up. After that, it got rejected and dropped. Okay, because of that, it is a resistance. Okay, so now when we are connecting this resistance, we're trying to connect it using our rectangle tool, and we want to connect two candles. Okay, a bearish and a bullish candle. Okay, so you just connect it like that, put it inside this box here. Okay, that forms our resistance there. Close the sell and profit and bought again. Okay, all right, cool. So I'm just checking. Let me just quickly check on gold here. So I can see gold is dropping. Okay, so currently we are in a loss because of where I entered. Okay, I entered over here. Current loss, you know, price is basically pushing down to this support that I was anticipating that it will push through. Okay, this is why trading is very tricky. It requires patience. Okay, but I decided to enter way early. Instead of waiting for the price to come here, I decided to enter here now, but I didn't enter here based on emotions. Okay, I did analyze and I looked at the 1 hour time frame, and the 1 hour time frame, you know, it was one thing that I used to enter. So now my stop loss for this trade is at 25.62. Okay, so this is basically the support gold needs to hold in order for it to push back up. Okay, so as long as gold remains above 25.62, we're in good hands. Okay, I'm expecting the price to bounce back up once it gets to around the support zone there. Okay, so let me continue, finish up, round up with analyzing this pair here that I'm looking at. Currently I am analyzing the euro versus the British pound. Okay, that's what we are currently analyzing. Okay, so just make sure my phone is stable. Okay, so like I was saying, we need to figure out where our previous resistance is. Okay, our previous resistance is here between 0.8506 and 85.46. Okay, that is our previous resistance because that's the previous high price attempted to make, and then it got rejected. Okay, so what does this mean? Well, because the price is currently at support, okay, it has currently found support over here at 83.99. It found support. Now usually whenever the price finds support, it would tend to, it's going to try to push towards a resistance. Okay, it's going to target that previous high. In this instance, it's 85.10. Okay, so I am anticipating that we are going to be able to push, the price is actually going to be able to push back up to 85, like 85.02, 85.08, around there, just because since it found support here, that's what it's going to aim to do. Okay, this is the daily time frame that we are looking at right now. So this is a move that's probably not going to happen right away because it is on the daily time frame. Okay, so normally I would enter a buy at this area. Okay, and then set the stop loss below this support. So I would say like 83.74 would be a good area to set the stop loss. Okay, if you're targeting the resistance of 85.02 there. Okay, so that's what I see on the daily time frame. Price is most likely pushing back up to at least 85. Okay, 0.85 there. Okay, so okay, with that being said, now I'm going to quickly, let's go to the 4 hour time frame here. Let's see. So now I'm on the 4 hour time frame. We can see we're getting a bullish candle. Okay, this is a bullish engulfing candle right there. Another good signal to enter a buy. Okay, so if the previous analysis that I did on the daily time frame is not confident enough for you, it doesn't give you enough confidence, then just look at this current 4-hour candle. Is extremely bullish. If it closes bullish, okay, if it closes the way it's currently looking, that is a very good signal to actually enter a buy, and then target that 85 0.85 resistance. Okay, so that's basically what's happening here. Yeah, so this pair here is currently bullish. Okay, I would enter a buy right now, and then if you're gonna look for like 85, 0.85 is the main target. Okay, we have smaller targets along the way. The first smaller target would be 84, 84.63. That would be the first take profit. Okay, 84.63 would be the first take profit, and then 84.92 is the second take profit, and then finally we have 85 as the third take profit. Okay, so yeah, so I hope that analysis made sense, Ali. So I hope now you have a clear understanding and picture of how to trade this Euro GBP. Okay, so I'll just repeat the take profit one more time. So first take profit, if you're entering a buy right now, number one, make sure you set your stop loss at 83.74 or 75, around there. And then the first area you want to take profit, you can take profit at 84.63. Okay, that's the first take profit. Second take profit could be like anywhere around 84.78, 84.90. Okay, and then your last take profit should be at around 85. Okay, 0.85. So yeah, the first take profit, like I said, there's always high chance, 90% chance price will get to 8. Second take profit is about 70%, and then the third take profit is about like 50 to 60% chance. Okay, all right, so guys, I'm gonna call it off now because I've been live longer than I'm supposed to. Normally I was just on the morning sessions. I only try to be live for 1 hour, but I've been live for like 1 hour and 40 minutes already. So I'm gonna go off now, and then I will come back again at around 10 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, make sure you join my Telegram group, follow me on YouTube here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I will start coming live more often on YouTube. Okay, and then as for this gold, the buy that we are in, okay, I'm still gonna hold that trade here. Okay, price is currently at the support here. Okay, it's currently at the support. Let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Okay, so we are currently at the support. Okay, now normally, okay, with this type of a trade, okay, because price is at this support right now, I'm going to watch to see what the price is doing. I want to see the price hold this current support here where it is at. Okay, 25.62. Okay, and since this is a scalp that I took, I am basically I'm going to be manually closing the trade. I did not set the stop loss so that the market closes out my trade. Okay, it's an open stop loss, so I'm going to be monitoring this trade. Like I told you guys, 25.62 is the support price cannot break. Okay, however, if it does break it, okay, the next area of supports that we have is 25.55. Okay, so 25.55 would be the next support price has to hold in order for it to be able to push back up, because eventually it will. Price does not just drop and all that, like just drop suddenly. So if it ends up breaking the 25.62, then in order for the price to be able to push back up, it has to make sure it holds above 25.54. Okay, so this would be like the last support price has in order for it to be able to push back up to 25.80, 25.79 and stuff like that before it continues the drop lower. Okay, this means that you could choose, okay, if you do have the money in your account, you could choose to actually move the stop loss down to 25.54 instead of 25.62. Okay, you can choose to move it down to 25.54 there, because 25.54 is definitely something that it has to hold in order for it to be able to push up. Once it breaks below 25.54, then it is literally 100% going to just crash all the way down to 25.30. Okay, so that's just something, that's one way that I will use to manage this trade. And for you guys who are watching this TikTok live, you can also do the same. If you want to like make sure you close out in profit, then you can just do what I'm doing. Okay, with that being said, thank you guys for watching today's live. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed the live and you found some value out of it. Ooh, look at GBP USD. So our GBP USD sell, I hope you guys took that sell, guys. Look at that. It's pretty much close to our first take profit, which was at 25. Sorry, I'm reading the gold. So our first take profit is at 1.3155. Okay, I'm already in profit of 154 with this trade here I took on abado.com. So I'm going to close out this trade very soon. I'm going to start taking some profit now. Okay, so this is the first trade that we took that so far it's in profit. Okay, the other one not yet in profit, but this one is in profit, so that is good. Okay, so you guys, if you took this sell with GBP USD, start taking out some profit, because the price is approaching an area of support where it could actually bounce back up from. So you can start taking some profit right now if you took this sell. Okay, anyways, I'll see you guys again later today at 10 p.m. Eastern time. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, take care guys, bye for now.